The United States Air Force has confirmed that two of its cutting-edge B-21 Raider stealth bombers are undergoing significant technological upgrades designed to expand their mission capabilities and strengthen America's long-term strategic deterrence. The move reflects Washington's ongoing commitment to maintaining air dominance in an era of rapidly evolving threats from both state and non-state adversaries. The B-21 Raider, developed by Northrop Grumman, is the latest addition to America's long-range bomber fleet and is widely considered one of the most advanced stealth aircraft in the world. Officially unveiled in December 2022, the Raider represents the first new U.S. bomber in more than 3 decades. While the B-21 is still in its early stages of operational testing, the Pentagon's decision to upgrade 2 bombers with advanced technology demonstrates a proactive effort to future-proof the fleet. These upgrades are reported to include enhanced stealth materials, next-generation sensors, artificial intelligence-driven targeting systems, and expanded payload options, enabling the aircraft to conduct a wider range of missions than originally envisioned. Traditionally, stealth bombers like the B-2 Spirit and now the B-21 Raider have been optimized for long-range precision strikes against high-value targets. However, the upgraded B-21s are expected to go beyond conventional strike roles. The new mission set may include electronic warfare, EW, advanced systems to jam, deceive, and disrupt enemy radar and communications, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR, enhanced sensors and data links for real-time battlefield awareness, nuclear and conventional strike flexibility, expanded ability to deliver both nuclear and conventional payloads with higher precision, cyber integration, cutting-edge digital warfare tools that could integrate cyber operations with traditional air missions. Air Force Chief of Staff General David Alvin stated, "The B-21 is not just a bomber. It's a multi-role platform designed to adapt to tomorrow's battlespace. By upgrading these first aircraft with advanced technology, we are ensuring the Raider remains ahead of adversary defenses for decades to come." The announcement comes at a time of heightened military competition with China and Russia. Beijing has been rapidly expanding its air and naval forces, while Moscow continues to invest in long-range missile systems and strategic bombers of its own. Analysts believe the decision to upgrade the B-21 sends a strong message of deterrence. Dr. Rebecca Whitman, a defense analyst at the Center for Strategic and International Studies, noted China's push to modernize its air force and Russia's reliance on long-range strategic capabilities make the B-21 upgrades especially significant. These enhancements ensure the U.S. can penetrate even the most advanced air defense networks and maintain credible deterrence. While specific details remain classified, that the upgrades involve breakthroughs in stealth coatings, radar-absorbing composites, and onboard computing power. The B-21 is believed to feature an open architecture design, which allows engineers to rapidly integrate new technologies without redesigning the entire aircraft. This modular approach is part of the Pentagon's broader strategy to ensure flexibility in procurement. Instead of waiting decades for a next-generation replacement, the Air Force can continuously refresh the Raider systems as new technology emerges. The B-21 program is one of the most expensive defense projects in U.S. history, with estimated costs reaching $700 million per aircraft and a projected fleet size of at least 100 bombers. Critics argue that the program places heavy financial strain on the defense budget. However, proponents stress that the cost is justified by the aircraft's unparalleled capabilities. Senator Jack Reed, chairman of the Senate Armed Services Committee, defended the investment. The B-21 is not just about today, it's about securing America's air superiority for the next 50 years. These upgrades ensure our adversaries know we can reach anywhere, anytime. Currently, the upgraded B-21s are being tested at Edwards Air Force Base in California. Sources suggest that the enhancements will undergo rigorous evaluation before being integrated into the larger production line. If successful, the upgrades will likely become standard for all future B-21s.
The first operational squadron of B-21 Raiders is expected to be deployed by the mid-2020s, with full operational capability projected in the early 2030s. For U.S. allies, the upgraded B-21s provide reassurance of continued American military dominance and commitment to collective security. For rivals, they represent a formidable challenge. As nations race to develop hypersonic missiles, advanced air defenses, and unmanned systems, the Raiders' evolving design highlights America's determination to stay ahead.
Defense analyst Marcus Hall concluded, "This is not just about building a bomber, it's about building a platform that will dominate multiple domains of warfare. The B-21 is America's insurance policy against the unknown."